Alright guys, so we're here at the famous Brush Alley Skate Park in Flint, Michigan. We're gonna go check out their course and see if we can get done with it, okay? Let's go. Play. How you doing? Boom, good.
Hey, Nicky, this is fire, bro.
Hey guys, we're here with my main man Jennings Harper, the guy who owns the skate shop and the skate park we have now just been to. This training facility is legit. Let's go ahead and meet this guy.
What's happening?
Jennings, man, I'm so blessed to have come out here and checked out your training facility.
Dude.
How long have you guys been open for?
Man, we just hit 4 months and we are gonna try to keep it going, man. It took us a year to get open. A lot of stuff goes into doing a public skate park that's indoors because, you know, safety issues and all that. But man, we are happy to have it, dude.
What time do you guys open till?
We're open till 10 o'clock, 7 days a week.
What time do you open?
At noon. Like
every day.
Man, most other skate parks don't open that early.
No, we got to do this for the skateboarders. We know people want to skate every day, all day, and we just got to keep a steady schedule so everybody knows they can always come here.
Yeah, this place is dope, you guys.
Yeah, legit place.
Thank you very much.
Guaranteed a training facility for anyone who wants to be an amateur, professional, a beginner. It's got a great amount of stuff you guys can be utilizing at all times. I notice now they also have a skate shop here.
Yeah, man, we're getting it together. We still got some work to do, but you know, slowly but surely. But our main shop downtown, we still have going too. So
where's that located at?
Right downtown Flint on 3rd Street in the corner of Brush Alley. We
Brush
call it
Alley.
Brush Alley Skate Shop.
And that's the place to be. Let me tell you guys, this guy right here is a legend of Michigan. He has been skating for a very long time. His style looks just as good switch as it does regular. Sometimes when he's warming up, I'd be like, that's a nice backside lip. He's like, that was switch, you know? So I have to open my eyes and be amazed by what he does. Please, go check out Jennings Harper. Check out some of his old videos. Check out some of his new videos. And guys, check out his facility. It is the bomb.
It's a pleasure, man.
Always, man. Hey, I want to say thank you, Jennings, for having us out. Ranger Skate Academy is also happy to have been out here and get some footage. I hope he goes on there and subscribes, checks out some of our videos and some of our long content.
Absolutely.
And if you guys get a chance, get out here and check out that facility.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, stay blessed. And as always,
thank you, man. That's
course.
love, dude. That's love, course.
Love you, brother. Love you, brother.
You, man.